Every journey begins with careful selection in the fields. Precision in the first cut ensures quality from the start. Every stem moves carefully along the journey to transformation. Sorting at the source lays the foundation for efficiency inside the factory. Transport begins as stems leave the field for processing. Each stem is logged, ensuring nothing is lost or overlooked.
Heavy machinery complements careful human handling.
Securing the harvest ensures it reaches the factory intact.
The journey continues, carrying nature's raw bounty forward.
Every stem is double-checked before leaving the farm.
From fields to factory, every mile is part of the process. Attention to detail preserves quality along the way.
Arrival marks the transition from nature to industry.
Every entry is monitored to maintain factory standards. The first step inside the factory begins the transformation journey.
Every stem begins its journey toward transformation with careful transport. Safety and stability are maintained every mile of the journey.
Coordination keeps the harvest on schedule. Arrival is carefully managed to meet factory standards.
All clear.
Okay, send it through.
Cleanliness and inspection protect the integrity of each stem.
Every stem is accounted for before entering the processing zone.
Mechanical precision ensures a smooth transfer from truck to dock. Each stem begins its transition from raw harvest to industrial process. Efficiency in transport keeps production continuous. Continuous care preserves the quality of the harvest.
The facility stands ready to receive the harvest.
Inspection continues until the very last meter. Arrival signals the final step of transport before processing.
Preparation at the dock ensures smooth transition into production.
The first stem has now officially entered the heart of the factory. Every entry is monitored to uphold strict operational standards. The factory stands as a gateway from nature to innovation.
Coordination ensures safety and efficiency at every step.
Every detail, from facade to dock, reflects industrial precision. Preparation ensures a seamless entry for the harvest. Safety is the foundation of every industrial operation.
Precision guidance ensures a smooth transition into processing.
Every adjustment guarantees safe unloading of stems. Technology and human oversight work in perfect harmony.
Alignment is critical for safe and efficient unloading.
Every movement is calculated to protect the harvest. The journey into production officially begins. Synchronization maximizes efficiency without compromising safety.
Tracking every stem ensures complete traceability from farm to processing.
Now, the harvest fully enters the controlled environment of production.
Every stem begins with a thorough cleaning to preserve quality.
Purity in preparation ensures the best results in processing.
Precision cleaning removes any residue from harvest and transport.
Sorting ensures each stem follows the correct processing path.
Human eyes complement machines to catch imperfections early.
Alignment prepares stems for smooth downstream processing. Every trace of debris is removed for pristine quality.
Weight determines the optimal processing route for each stem.
Only the best stems advance to the main processing stage.
Merged lines streamline production without slowing progress. Technology guides every stem along the safest path. Nothing escapes the watchful eyes of our skilled team. Every stem is guided efficiently to where transformation begins.
Data ensures complete traceability from field to factory floor.
Now, the harvest is ready for its core transformation.
Here, the journey transforms from raw harvest to industrial precision. Precision cutting reduces stems to uniform sizes for efficient processing.
Consistency is key as stems prepare for further refinement.
Water cleaning ensures purity before transformation continues.
Controlled pressure extracts moisture while preserving structure.
Heat treatment sterilizes and prepares stems for high-tech processing.
Cooling stabilizes stems before the next stage of refinement.
Separation prepares each stem for precise transformation.
Slicing ensures uniform pieces ready for extraction and refinement.
Extraction begins the core process of turning stems into usable material. Controlled pressure separates usable material with precision.
Collected fibers are inspected and guided toward purification.
Washing removes impurities while maintaining fiber integrity. Careful drying preserves quality and prepares fibers for refinement.
Now, the core processing is complete, ready for main transformation.
Here, raw fibers begin their transformation into high-quality materials.
The audio is dominated by the loud, continuous sounds of heavy machinery. A deep,
Uniform pulp ensures the best outcome in the transformation process.
Blending guarantees an even texture for all downstream processes. Precision pressing shapes raw material into usable forms.
Cooling stabilizes forms for accurate finishing.
Trimming ensures consistency and readiness for final transformation.
Every sheet is verified before proceeding to advanced stages.
Controlled drying prepares material for high-tech finishing.
Even drying preserves material integrity for quality output.
Cooling readies material for precision stacking and inspection.
Stacks are organized for efficient downstream handling.
Now, the main transformation is complete and ready for high-tech refinement.
Accurate records guarantee traceability through every stage.
Main transformation is complete, ready for precision automation.
Automation now takes over to ensure speed and precision.
Mechanical precision handles repetitive tasks with unmatched consistency.
Sensors catch what the human eye might miss, ensuring flawless quality. Each bundle is tracked for full traceability throughout production.
Exact weight ensures consistency and efficiency in packaging.
Automation streamlines the workflow with precision timing.
Real-time monitoring prevents errors before they propagate.
Even the smallest correction is automated for perfection. Compaction optimizes space for storage and handling.
Every bundle is aligned perfectly before final finishing.
Sorting at high speed maintains order without human error.
Pallets are built efficiently, ready for precise finishing operations.
Every stack is verified for stability before advancing.
Automation synchronizes all movements for maximum efficiency.
High-tech automation prepares every bundle for precision finishing.
Here, every bundle receives meticulous attention to achieve perfection. Edges are refined with surgical precision for uniform quality. Polishing smooths every surface, enhancing material integrity.
Laser precision ensures uniformity at a microscopic level. Standardized sizing guarantees consistent handling and storage. Alignment sets the stage for precise packaging operations.
Continuous monitoring ensures only perfect bundles proceed.
Even minor adjustments are automated for flawless output.
Compression ensures stability and optimal density for storage.
Cooling solidifies the final form before stacking and inspection.
Check the heat signature on that one.
Stacks are organized with precision, ready for final handling.
Every stack is confirmed stable before advancing. Precise alignment guarantees seamless entry into quality control. Sorting ensures only optimal bundles reach final inspection.
Precision finishing is complete. Now the focus shifts to quality verification.
Every bundle undergoes rigorous scrutiny to guarantee perfection.
Human eyes catch imperfections machines might miss.
Moisture levels are precisely controlled for long-lasting quality. Fiber integrity is essential for reliable industrial output. Samples are carefully analyzed to meet strict standards. Lab tests confirm every batch is perfectly conditioned. Strength tests ensure durability and industrial reliability. Uniform appearance is key for product excellence. Every bundle is verified before leaving the inspection line. Defective units are separated to maintain uncompromised quality.
Advanced tests guarantee adherence to industry standards.
Controlled environment preserves material integrity. Traceability ensures every bundle is accounted for. Only those passing all tests move forward to packaging.
With quality confirmed, bundles advance toward their final journey.
Every bundle now begins its final stage, packaging for delivery. Protective packaging safeguards quality during storage and transport.
Sealed edges preserve freshness and prevent contamination.
Labels ensure traceability from factory to destination. Pallets are organized efficiently for storage and shipping.
Every stack is confirmed stable before entering storage.
Organized storage ensures easy retrieval and efficient logistics.
Careful placement prevents damage and maintains order. Each pallet is double-checked to meet our high standards.
Loading is precise to ensure safe transport to customers. The journey from factory to delivery begins here.
And this is how modern factories produce banana stem products from start to finish.
From harvest to delivery, every step is controlled with precision.